Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video we will see a new recipe of mirror glaze fruit cake. I have shown this cake in a very detailed way, so let's quickly check out the recipe. To a bowl add curd 1 cup. Now to it add baking soda half teaspoon. Give a good mix. While mixing you can see the curd has got foamy and bubbly. After mixing, keep it aside. Now to another bowl add superfine caster sugar 3/4 cup or powdered sugar 3/4 cup, half cup of oil and some drops of vanilla essence. Give them a good mix, let sugar and oil gets well combined. See, this is perfect, and to it now let's add our mixture of curd and baking soda. See the mixture how airy it looks, and now give a good mix. Now it's the time to add the dry ingredients. Take a sieve and to it add 1.5 cup of maida and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift all the dry ingredients. This cake is totally an eggless one and it tastes very delicious. After sifting the dry ingredients, give everything a good mix. We need to remove all the lumps. The batter is lump free. Now to it let's add vinegar 1 teaspoon and give a quick mix. Now let's divide the batter into 2 cake molds. So here I have taken 2 6-inch cake tins. You can use one 8-inch cake mold also. Divide the batter into 2. I have greased my both the cake tins with oil and baking instructions are given in the screen. And now let's make fruit filling. So here I have taken some chopped cherry, chopped pineapple, chopped apples and chopped mangoes. You can take any fruits of your choice. So to a pan add half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. This is the normal granulated sugar. Let the sugar melt. See here the sugar has melted. Now to it let's add all the chopped fruits. You can use any fruits of your choice. You can add kiwi, orange, anything. Give them a good mix and we need to cook this mixture for 4 to 5 minutes. We need to close the lid and cook it, but remember in between we need to keep on stirring it. Do not throw the sugar syrup. We are using pulp for filling and sugar syrup for soaking our fruit cake. So once it gets cooled down, we need to divide our sugar syrup as well as pulp into 2 different bowls. So here it's done and let it cool down completely. To prepare a glaze, to a pan add 1 cup of water. Now to it add regular granulated sugar half cup. Now add corn flour 2 tablespoons and lemon juice half teaspoon. Now give a good mix and remove all the lumps from the corn flour mixture. Give everything a good mix and we need to on the flame and let this mixture cook. We need to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and remember we need to keep on stirring it. Once when it starts getting thick, we need to off the flame. See the consistency? This is perfect. Now divide the mixture into 2 bowls. Now to one bowl add yellow food color. This is liquid food color and give a good mix. And now to it let's add pineapple essence half teaspoon. Give a good mix. So here pineapple glaze is ready. And to another bowl add strawberry essence. So add 2 drops of strawberry essence and give a good mix. So here the strawberry glaze is ready. So here my both the cakes has cooled down and see the softness of the cake. See the softness of both the cakes. So now let's cut our cake into 2 layers. See how nice it looks. See now I'm cutting a second cake. Just remove the top to make it even. And now I'm going to divide this cake into 2 layers. See how well it looks? Place the first layer of the cake on the cake board. Now soak it with sugar syrup. This is the same sugar syrup which we had used while preparing fruit crush, and now place the fruits. Now take another layer of cake and soak it with sugar syrup. Cover the layer with the whipping cream. Now I'm going to carefully place this cake on top. I'm just gonna flip it and place it. Now apply the whipping cream on top. Now place another layer of cake. Apply the whipped cream. We need to repeat the same process. And now let's place another layer of the cake. This is the last layer of cake. Soak it with sugar syrup. And then cover the cake with whipped cream. And in this stage we need to cover whole of the cake with the whipped cream, and even we need to cover the sides also. We'll just scrape and remove the excess cream. We're going to just level it up. You can use cards or any cake scraper also. Yeah, this is perfect. At this stage, let's refrigerate it. And now let's put our pineapple glaze. First, let's cover the cake with the glaze from the sides. First, I'm using pineapple glaze, and then on it I'm going to use strawberry glaze. And now let's put a strawberry glaze. Let's clean our cake board. On top, put strawberry glaze and then pineapple glaze. We need to put them randomly. And now let's put pineapple glaze. See how nice it looks. Once we put the glaze, we need to keep it in refrigerator. And now let's put the border for our cake. And now let's make some designs on top. Just it's a kind of border on top. And now let's keep the fruits. See how I'm keeping it? Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section in which occasion you're going to prepare the cake. You can send me the photograph through Gmail. I'll be posting it in Instagram. My Gmail ID is given in the description box below. See how soft and beautiful our cake is. So here it's done with the recipe.